Hello everyone, welcome to the channel SRS. This is Sumit Roy and we'll study the interconversion, the next part, that is from SR to D and SR to T. Both the flip-flop interconversion we'll see in this part. As we have already seen in the previous lecture, that is from given to the required, given flip-flop to the required flip-flop. Given flip-flop, what we require is the excitation part. So I've already written the excitation part of the SR flip-flop. And the required, that is characteristic table of the D flip-flop. So I've written the characteristic table of D flip-flop and similarly for the T flip-flop. So let us start with the interconversion. That is what we are having. This is given and this is what is required. So for the given to required, this is given. So excitation table, required is characteristic table. So we'll start. That is from QT to D to QT plus 1. This is characteristic table of the required part, that is 0 to 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, and QT plus 1 is 0, 1, 0, 1. And from this what we can write is S and R. So S and R, and that is excitation, that is 0 to 0, that is from 0 to 0, it's 0 cross, so it's 0 cross, 0 to 1, here it's 1, 0, 1 to 0, 1 to 0, it's 0, 1, and 1 to 1, it's cross 0, it's cross 0. So now reduction, that is S based on QT and D, the present inputs. This is QT, that is the present output, and D, that is the present input available. That is 0 and 1, 0 and 1. That is 0, 0, 0 and 1, 1 and 0, 1 and 1. We are having 0, 1, 0 cross, 0, 1, 0 cross. This is the possibility. So S becomes equal to D. This is it. And similarly for R, if we do the reduction, that is QT and D, 0, 1, 0, 1. For R it's cross 0, 1, 0. Cross 0, 1, 0. So this is RS D bar. So for the diagram, what we are having is, we are having the bigger diagram, that is, this is, I'll draw a bigger diagram this time. Now from the outside, we have achieved D. So what we are having is D, what we are having is a clock, and what we are having is reset or reset N. It depends on what you require. QT and QT bar. This is the available part that we are having. This is what is required. Now what is given is SR. So I'll write the SR part also. This is SR. So this is S, this is R, and this is clock, and obviously this is reset. So clock, I'll join it here. Now this is it. So S and R is required input is S is D. So I'll directly join D here. And R is D bar. So I'll put a NOT gate here and give it as. And this is QT. And this is QT bar. So this is what is, this is SR flip-flop. And this whole thing is a D flip-flop, that is SR flip-flop is interconverted into D flip-flop by the help of this flip-flop and only with the help of a NOT gate. So this is D flip-flop, SR flip-flop to D flip-flop. Similarly, I'll do it for T also, in this class only, I'll do it for T also. So this is the part for SR to D, now SR to T. So we are having the T is required now. So just I have to rub it out. Now we'll focus in this and this. So for T flip-flop, what we are having is QT and T and QT plus 1 and 0 to 0, 0 to 1, 1 to 0 and 1 to 1. Based on that, that is 0, that is 1 means toggle means 1, 0 means no change means 1, and 1 means toggle means 0. So this is the characteristic table of T flip-flop. Based on this, S and R excitation table, 0 to 0. What 0 to 0 is 0 cross here, and 0 to 1, 0 to 1 is 1, 0, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, is cross 0 and yes, and 1 to 0, 1 to 0 is 0, 1. This is what is required. 0 to 0, 0 to 0 is 0 cross, then 0 to 1, look at these two. 0 to 1, it's 1 0, 0 to 1, it's 1 0. Then there is 1 to 0, it's 0 1, 1 to 0, it's 0 1, and then there is 1 to 1, it's cross 0, 1 to 1 is cross 0. So this is the part. Now again reduction, S has to be reduced. So this is QT and T, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, QT and T based on S, that is 0 1 cross 0. So this is the only possibility, that is S is QT bar T, this is S, and R is QT and T. It's cross 0 0 1. It's cross 0 0 1. This is QT T. So based on this, what we can do is again draw the diagram, the complete bigger diagram, bigger picture. That is this S R. There is a clock and there is T input and there is reset and QT and QT bar. Now just we have to join it, that is QT bar T, that is T is there, QT bar is there. So again what is required is QT bar, this is QT bar and this is T, so this is QT bar T. R is QT into T, so R is QT dot T. This is QT, this is T, so QT dot T is R. So this is the interconversion that is required, that is what we are having SR, and with the help of AND gate and AND gate we can convert it into T flip-flop. So further many interconversions are possible. I'll try to cover most of them, that is from JK to T, JK to T, that is also very important. So we'll look at it in the next lecture, and that's all. Till then, goodbye. Consider subscribing, it will help the channel to grow. Like, comment, share, this will also help the channel to grow, and leave your comments on the comment section, and that's all. Thank you.